Okay, here's a way to blur faces individually if you need to. This is a video of my son and daughter. What I'm going to do is click on enhancements. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on blurring effects and then custom blurring. Now, in this video, I'm going to blur, I'm just going to blur my daughter's face over here. So what you can do is you can press play. And as soon as her face comes up, you're going to highlight and make a rectangular square. And it will blur that whole section there. So I'm going to just click on play and just make sure that the blurring effect does blur out her whole face the whole time. And you can see so far that it is. And it's going to go back to my son here in a second. There we go. So you can see both of them. They stayed blurred. You can adjust this size just by bringing it up a little bit. But there we go. There is how to blur just a single section or a single face in YouTube. Hope you enjoyed. Any questions, please let me know. Thanks for watching. Oh, one last thing. When you do click done and you want to save, always try to remember to save it as a new video. If you save it as a new video, what will happen is it will keep your original and just save, it'll save the new one as well. So you have a little bit of both. So anyway, I appreciate you watching. Thanks. Bye-bye.